Hi everyone, for my web tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and show you some academic content and the online resource tool that would be utilized within an online flipped classroom. However, you would use it in your in-person and online classroom. So for my academic content, I went ahead and talked about the Lunar New Year. This is how it would look for the students at home. I would give them a little bit of information, history, background video, so they can watch that. And as an online tool, this is where it comes in. I would use Lookit as a formative assessment to review what they have learned from the video. So if you're not familiar, I'm going to go ahead and show a little tutorial of how to use Lookit. So if you're new to it, you would go ahead and create your own account using Google. I've already made mine. And so it's very similar to Kahoot, but a little bit different in the sense of it gives you more opportunities to find quizzes and to have little interactive games for the students. So for this example, I went ahead and found a quiz on the Lunar New Year that gives a 10-set question of related facts to the video that the students would have watched at home. Just be mindful, this is just my dashboard. So it would not necessarily look like this on the student's screen. It would actually pop up as a game code, just like how it was in the picture with the game ID. So they would not necessarily click on the link and prompt it to them over here. I would have to host the game. So couple quick features is you can assign as homework. You have your history, your favorites, sets that you have used. You can even create your own if you would like to. Don't have to, but just for this purpose, tutorial purpose, I went ahead and used this as an example. So I'm going to go ahead and host it. So once you would click host, it would prompt you to this area and you would go ahead and select game mode. For this example, we'll go ahead and look at Gold Quest. These are just the options and varieties of the other games that students can use to play in between answering the questions, or answering the questions actually. So you're going to go ahead and host the game. And then it would talk about the Lunar New Year facts. You're going to go ahead and have your time limit. You could add or shorten the time frame however you like. Here's the settings for it. Show instructions, allow late joining, random name generator, or allow students to use their own accounts. You would go ahead and host the game, sound effects, and then I would actually have this code right here as part of the image that I had previously mentioned that the students would see. So they would go ahead and put the game ID as such. And then they would be allowed in the game and go ahead and play it. And there you have it. Hope this helps. Thank you.